Hello dear viewers. Welcome to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Whether you're into DIY or just love the natural charm of wood, you're in the right place. Every day, we bring you easy-to-follow projects that turn plain pieces into beautiful home accents. Today we dive into solid wood bathroom sink and bathtub vanities ideas. So grab your tools or just some inspiration and let's get started. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. When it comes to bathroom design, few elements combine functionality, aesthetics, and longevity as effectively as solid wood bathroom sink and bathtub vanities. These natural, elegant, and durable furnishings serve as the centerpiece of any bathroom while also delivering on utility, particularly when paired with a well-thought-out decor plan. Solid wood vanities, often crafted from oak, maple, teak, walnut, or mahogany, bring warmth and organic character into a space that's otherwise filled with cold materials like tile, glass, and porcelain. Integrating both sink vanities and bathtub surrounds or freestanding wooden tub enclosures into your bathroom decor transforms the area into a spa-like retreat, a tranquil sanctuary that reflects personal style while offering long-term value. From rustic farmhouse aesthetics to sleek Scandinavian minimalism, and from rich traditional themes to boho chic creativity, the possibilities with solid wood vanities are nearly endless. In terms of sink vanities, homeowners can choose from wall-mounted floating styles that open up floor space and create modern lines, to robust, freestanding cabinetry pieces with ample storage, intricate detailing, and antique charm. A double-sink solid wood vanity is ideal for master bathrooms, providing symmetrical design and practical dual functionality, while a smaller single vanity in distressed pine or reclaimed barn wood suits powder rooms or guest baths beautifully, adding character in a compact footprint. The use of solid wood in bathtub vanities or tub surrounds is a growing trend in luxury bathrooms, often incorporating slatted teak panels for a Japanese spa aesthetic, or custom millwork in walnut for a high-end, contemporary finish. These wooden accents around freestanding tubs or integrated soaking baths offer a soft contrast to the cool surfaces around them, blending tactile comfort with visual harmony. Designers often leverage solid wood to build vanities that harmonize seamlessly with other bathroom features like countertops, mirrors, lighting, and hardware. For example, a rich walnut sink vanity might be paired with matte black or brushed gold faucets and fixtures for a striking, modern contrast. Countertops made from white quartz or marble create a balanced, clean visual when set atop darker wood bases, while a live edge wood counter with a vessel sink gives a more artistic, earthy feel. For bathtub decor, a minimalist tub with solid wood steps or a teak tray caddy across the top provides both beauty and practicality, ideal for candles, bath salts, or a good book. Integrating wood in multiple elements of the space, like mirror frames, shelving, or cabinetry, creates cohesion, while mixing different wood tones with restraint can add depth and interest. The texture and grain of real wood adds a sense of authenticity to the room, and when finished correctly, it stands up well to the moisture and humidity that bathrooms naturally produce. For a touch of the exotic, tropical woods like Irako or bamboo can be used for tub surrounds or even as wall cladding, evoking the feel of a luxury resort or Balinese retreat. On the other hand, traditional homes might benefit from deep-stained oak vanities with brass hardware, beveled mirrors, and clawfoot tubs, all coming together to create a timeless elegance. In small bathrooms, solid wood vanities with built-in drawers or open shelving make the most of tight quarters by offering both storage and visual appeal. Choosing a floating vanity with integrated lighting or underglow effects can create the illusion of more space while enhancing modern styling. In contrast, large bathrooms benefit from expansive vanities that serve as full furniture pieces, like those with double sinks, center drawer towers, or dressing table-style layouts. Paired with a statement tub, whether a contemporary oval tub enclosed in a custom wood base, or a vintage cast iron clawfoot set against a wood-paneled feature wall, these elements anchor the space with elegance and utility. Bathtub vanities and surrounds can also incorporate built-in storage cubbies, towel niches, or even planter boxes for small indoor greenery, seamlessly blending nature and function. Meanwhile, accessories like wooden trays, carved soap dishes, and woven baskets reinforce the natural theme while remaining functional and stylish. Color is another essential component in solid wood vanity and bathtub decor planning. Natural finishes are the most popular, as they highlight the unique grain and tone of the wood, but painted wood vanities are also making a resurgence. Muted greens, navy blues, and charcoal grays are popular paint choices for solid wood cabinetry, offering a bold yet grounding presence. In bathrooms with a lot of white or neutral tones, a dark-stained wood vanity acts as a visual anchor, while in more colorful bathrooms, a light or medium tone wood adds balance and warmth. A Scandinavian-inspired bathroom might feature blonde woods like birch or ash with minimalist lines and white ceramic fixtures, while a Mediterranean-style bathroom could include richly stained wood with mosaic tiles and brass accents. For those aiming for an industrial edge, pairing reclaimed wood vanities with black metal legs, exposed plumbing, and concrete floors delivers a raw, textured aesthetic that still feels curated. Meanwhile, coastal themes often favor whitewashed or driftwood finishes, mixed with sea glass tiles, linen curtains, and marine-style lighting for a breezy, beach house vibe. Another powerful design choice is combining solid wood vanities with natural stone or concrete materials. A wood vanity topped with a raw-edge marble counter, or a teak tub deck surrounding a limestone or terrazzo tub, merges organic textures in a deeply satisfying way. These material pairings emphasize the luxury and timelessness of the space, especially when details like handmade ceramic tiles, linen window treatments, and bronze accents are added. When planning a bathroom layout, consider how the wood elements flow together, how the grain runs between the sink vanity and the tub enclosure, or how the cabinetry echoes the tones of the wood flooring, if present. For a unified look, it's often best to use the same species of wood throughout, though subtle contrast can be introduced through different stain levels or finishes. Layering is key to great design, and in bathroom decor, that means mixing textures, smooth stone, matte tile, polished wood, soft fabric, tones, warm woods, cool metals, neutral backdrops, and elements, fixtures, furniture, decor. The strategic placement of mirrors above vanities not only serves practical purposes but enhances natural light and can reflect beautiful wood details, effectively doubling their impact. If space permits, consider adding a wooden bench or stool near the bathtub for added seating and charm, or perhaps a built-in wooden niche with rolled towels and spa accessories for a boutique hotel feel. Wood ceilings, especially in vaulted bathrooms or those with skylights, can add dramatic flair while tying the entire design together. Customization is another area where solid wood vanities shine. Because these pieces are often handcrafted or built to order, they can be designed to fit non-standard dimensions, corner layouts, or unique needs. Whether that means incorporating a hamper drawer, toe kick lighting, or hidden power outlets for hair tools and toothbrushes, a custom vanity made from real wood ensures not just a beautiful result but one tailored specifically to your lifestyle. Sustainability is also an increasingly important factor in design decisions. Reclaimed wood vanities, often made from salvaged beams, barn wood, or old flooring, offer a story and character that new wood cannot replicate. They're environmentally friendly, reduce demand for new lumber, and lend authenticity to rustic, industrial, or eclectic spaces. Similarly, FSC-certified new wood ensures responsible harvesting and environmental stewardship, aligning your bathroom remodel with eco-conscious values. As for bathtub vanities or surrounds, they can be incorporated creatively in both built-in and freestanding setups. A Japanese soaking tub, for instance, often sits within a custom teak frame that includes integrated stairs or seating. In a more traditional setting, a drop-in tub might be installed into a custom wood deck, trimmed with decorative molding or beadboard for a refined cottage look. These designs are not just for aesthetics, they also serve as practical solutions for hiding plumbing, supporting fixtures, or offering additional storage. For homeowners who prefer not to use wood directly near water sources, moisture-resistant treatments, marine-grade finishes, and intelligent layout planning can mitigate concerns. Alternately, composite materials that mimic the appearance of wood while offering superior moisture tolerance can be used strategically, though they typically lack the natural warmth and tactile appeal of true wood. Ultimately, decorating with solid wood vanities and bathtubs is about creating a cohesive, inviting environment where every detail contributes to comfort, functionality, and beauty. It's the convergence of nature and design, where craftsmanship meets daily ritual. Whether you're soaking in a tub framed by teak or brushing your teeth at a handcrafted oak sink vanity, these moments become more meaningful when surrounded by natural materials chosen with care. In today's fast-paced world, the bathroom becomes more than just a place to get ready, it's a retreat, a reflection of your style and priorities, and with solid wood as the cornerstone of its design, it stands not only as a place of function but as a sanctuary of form and feeling. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparks some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we're all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.